So today we're going to be looking over of what nest if else is in a brief way. So I've already coded the program. So we're just going to be going over of what it is and how to do it. So you need the name, day, and like the description of the program. That's the main stuff that you need to do. But let's move on. You need to have the import Java.util scanner since it's a package and it includes specific information. Like without this, you wouldn't be able to have this happen at all. And with this, the import Java.util dot scanner statement, scanner in equals new scanner parentheses system dot in parentheses semicolon, like they work together. And I'm pretty sure you guys already know that. But a cool trick actually is instead of writing this statement, scanner in equals new scanner dot in right here, you can write it in the main method, which is like above here, you could just write static scanner in equals new scanner parentheses system dot in parentheses semicolon. And it will work the same way like this works. But that will be for a different video. But now let's look at what a nested if else is. It's basically an if else with another if else inside of it. So this is the first if, right? And then this is the else. But there's if else's inside each one of them. So basically, what this program does is it asks for like, what is your age? What you, like, how much do you weigh? Stuff like that. And this is not real. I just like picked random numbers. So don't worry, it's not real. Like not a real like thing like, oh, if you're like 5 years old and you weigh 70 pounds, you need to start that. You don't. Just I just made the program like that. Look at it in like two different chunks. So let's look at it with the if statement, like the if stuff first. So let's say your age is 8 or 7, let's say 8, and you weigh 70 pounds. It's going to say you start a diet, right? But let's say you don't weigh 70 pounds. Let's say you weigh like 39. That's a bit too low, but for this like situation, let's say you're doing good. And let's say you were 3 years old. You wouldn't even come in this criteria. You would go down here in the else. And you weigh 29 pounds. It would go straight to the else. It would say, okay. But let's say you weighed like 42 pounds. It would say not good. Because they can't tell a 3-year-old to start at. Like, come on. But like, no, it's not that. But that's what an if else nested, like a nested if else statement is. It's not even that complicated. Just look at it two separate parts with like two different like other things inside of it. Like this is a normal if else, and so is this, but they just have like a couple more. Like they have like if else's also inside of them. So that's what a nested if else is. I hopefully this video helped you. But yeah.